Okay, what is one matrices? Matrices is just a collection of a number in terms of rows and columns. Okay, and in a square bracket, we write matrix with rows and columns. Correct. In a last lecture, we learn about the types of matrices. So, in a types of matrices, first one is a zero matrix. That means the matrix whose all elements are zero is called as a zero matrix. Next one, row matrix. Row matrix, that means the matrix has only one row. Next one, column matrix. The matrix has only one column is called as a column matrix. Okay. And next one, a square matrix. Square matrix means number of rows is equal to number of columns. Then only we say that number of rows is equal to number of column. Ganesh, am I audible to you clean and clear? Okay. So, square matrix, that means number of rows is equal to number of columns. It's called as square matrix. So, next one is an diagonal matrix. Simply, all the non-diagonal elements are zero and diagonal element have some numbers. It's called as an diagonal matrix. Next one, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal, are called as a scalar. Next one, unit matrix. That means unit matrix is a a scalar matrix in which all the elements, diagonal elements, are 1 and rest of them are 0. Okay, is called as a unit matrix. Next one, upper triangular matrix, a square matrix in which all elements below the principal diagonal are 0 is called as a upper triangular matrix. Next one, lower triangular matrix, a square matrix in which all the elements above the principal diagonal are 0 is called as a lower triangular. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix are the definition. Symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aj. These positions are equal. And skew symmetric matrix, that means Aij is equal to minus Aj. Next one, we learn the transpose of matrix. To find the transpose of matrix, just change row and columns. Okay. So this one, next one we learn next one, singular matrices and non-singular matrices. So what is meant by singular matrices? If determinant of matrix A is equal to 0, then we say that the matrix is singular. Everyone knows how to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so determinant of A is equal to 0 is called as a singular matrix, and determinant A is not equal to 0 is called as a non-singular matrix. Okay, singular matrix, that means determinant A is equal to 0, and non-singular, that means determinant A is not equal to 0. This one is a definition. ह्या definition मी PPT मध्ये write down करणार आहे, तिथे तुम्हाला ह्या भेटून जातील. Okay, next one, we learn equality of matrices. So when two matrices are equal, there are two conditions. Suppose A and B are equal if and only if there is a first condition. There are same order. A and B must be a same order, and position of a matrices element is same in both the matrices. It's called as the equality of matrices. Next topic is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. So simply scalar multiplication. In scalar multiplication, A is an matrix. A is matrix and C is any scalar. C is any scalar. C is any scalar. C is a scalar. So how to multiply? Suppose A matrix here will be given, which is equal to A is equal to or 2 3 minus 1. First row 2 3 minus 1. Next row is 104. 104 and C is equal to 2. Okay, C is equal to 2. So C is an scalar and A is matrix. So how to find this C into A? C into A. Just multiply this. C is equal to 2, correct? So just multiply this 2 each and every number of this matrix. Okay. So 2 into 2 is an 4. 3 into 2 is an 6. 2 into minus 1 is an minus 2. Next one, 2 into 1 is an 2. 2 into 0 is an 0. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. So this one is a matrix scalar multiplication. Okay. Scalar multiplication, that means simply जो पण स्केलर तुम्हाला भेटलाय त्या स्केलरनी प्रत्येक मॅट्राइसेसच्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला तुम्हाला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. इट्स कॉल्ड ॲज अ स्केलर मल्टिप्लिकेशन. नेक्स्ट वन, addition of two matrices. How to add two matrices? Addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices. How to add two matrices? So to adding and subtraction. Also I will take here subtraction because in both the condition, in both the operation, condition is the same. So in a subtraction and addition, if we add or subtract two matrices, suppose which are A and B, then their order must be same. Their order must be same. जर दोन मॅट्रायसेसची ऑर्डर जर सेम असेल तरच तुम्ही त्या दोन मॅट्रायसेसचं ऍडिशन अँड मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू शकता. ओके, ऍडिशन अँड सबट्रॅक्शन करू शकता. मल्टिप्लिकेशनच्या बाबतीत ऑलरेडी आपण पाहिलेलं आहे. ए अँड बी. ओके, इफ ए order of A is equal to order of B, then only addition and subtraction of two matrices is possible. Okay, addition and subtraction is possible. So suppose I will take here matrix A is equal to containing order 2 by 3. So first one is 1. So first row 1 2, second 2. Third row is minus 2, minus 1, 4. Okay, so this one is 1 2 2 minus 2 minus 1 4, and B matrix is containing first row is 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, and second row is 3 minus 2 minus 3. So how to add these two matrices A plus B? These things are very simple. Okay, जे सायन्स बॅकग्राऊंडचे असतील त्यांना तर ऑलरेडीच हे सगळं माहित असेल. हाऊ टू ऍड टू मॅट्रायसेस, हाऊ टू सबट्रॅक्ट, हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय. So how to add, just here check. A has an order 2 rows and 3 columns, correct? Same thing, B has an order 2 rows and 3 columns. So we are easily add up them. How to add? Just component wise addition is there. So here first position 1, second, here the position of first position 2. So add up them. 1 plus 2 is an 3. Next one 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Next one 2 plus 1 is an 3. Next one minus 2 plus 3. So is equal to 1. Okay, 3 minus 2. Next one minus 1 minus 2. It will become minus 3. Next one 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is an 1. Okay, so our A plus B is equal to 3 1 3 1 minus 3 1. Same thing, how to subtract them? We do this A minus B. For subtraction, so A minus B, that means first position 1 minus 2, it become 1 minus 2, it become minus 1. Okay, next one 2 minus sign है, correct? हे minus sign. 2 minus minus 1, it become plus. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next one 2 minus 1 is an 1. Next one minus 2 minus sign and minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Correct. Next one minus 1 minus sign, this one minus 2. So minus minus become plus. So minus 1 plus 2, it become plus 1. Next one 4 minus minus 3, it become 4 plus 3, 7. Is everyone got this? Yes or no? Addition and subtraction. Yes, just reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone got this, how to add and subtract. Up to matrices. Next one, there is some laws of matrices. First law is commutative law. Commutative law. And this commutative and associative law is with respect to only addition of matrices. Commutative law. This is only for addition. So simply, if we add A plus B. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That means there is an nothing in difference. तुम्ही A plus B काय केलं काय आणि B plus A काय व्हॅल्यू तीच येईल. म्हणजेच काय, जर रिअल नंबर मध्ये तुम्ही 5 plus 6 घेतलं तर L1 येतं आणि 6 plus 5 घेतलं तर L1 येतं. सेम थिंग. कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ फॉर ऍडिशन A plus B is equal to B plus A. Same thing, next law, associative for only addition. This one is applicable for only addition, not subtraction and multiplication. Okay, subtraction and multiplication मध्ये they are not equal. Associative law. In associative, simply if we add two matrices first, that means in a bracket A plus B जर तुम्ही add केलं, A plus B, if we add A plus B, and third one is a plus C, third matrix. Associative law for three matrices and commutative law for two matrices. So if we add first two matrices and then add third matrix, so is equal to simply A plus and then add B plus C in bracket B plus C. आता ह्या ब्रॅकेटचा अर्थ काय होतो, फर्स्ट ऍड A plus B, देन ऍड जो नवीन मॅट्रिक्स येईल A plus B चा त्याच्यामध्ये C ऍड करा. सेम थिंग, फर्स्ट ऍड B plus C आणि त्याच्यामध्ये नंतर A चा जो एलिमेंट येतो तो ऍड करा. So here one of the example is given for these laws. Commutative and associative. We take this example. Suppose A is a matrix containing 2 by 2 order. A matrix 2 by 2 order, 1, 2, 2 minus 1. And B matrix is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Here just tell me what will be the value of A plus B. Solve the example and tell me the value of A plus B.